What is up, Drilla Nation? Today is Saturday, April 27th, and I am on my way to the grocery store in the morning to grab some pancake mix. This is a weekend in my life. I have not recorded because of various reasons. Number one, the lack of motivation. Why was I lacking motivation when I live alone with no distractions? I don't even know. I don't know why I was lacking motivation. I had so many ideas and I had written them down, but the execution was not there whatsoever. So this video is gonna be an update on why I haven't been uploading, what my life has been like, some snippets because I was recording videos, I just wasn't like uploading. So that was like the issue. Like I would record like maybe half of a video, a quarter of the video, and then I just wouldn't upload it. So this video is just gonna be like what I'm gonna do this weekend. I should have vlogged last night because I went out with some of the guys, alhamdulillah. I think there's some snippets of them in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, alhamdulillah, life's been good. The grocery store, because I bought a bike here in Ottawa, the grocery store is about a 5-minute bike ride, which is very beautiful, and I'm just vibing too. Adam's not here with me today. Adam went back to Edmonton. I am here alone this weekend for the first time. I also forgot my tripod back in Calgary because I wanted to do an Eid vlog. And I also recorded some snippets there, but the video never came through. So all in all, I've been lacking, but subhanAllah, it's green outside now. I can actually record during the day without it being dark outside. Today I'm going to the outlets, a 30-minute bike ride. Finally leaving my ends because we couldn't really go on long bike rides because it was so cold. And I'm not like a biker or something. Should be fun. Vibes, I'm not gonna lie. When you have a day to relax, it's beautiful. Alhamdulillah. Right, so we're here for actually more than just pancake mix. Gonna get milk, Nando sauce, and bagels. For all you Albertans, bro, this is bagged milk. Alright guys, so everybody knows obviously how to make pancakes. The purpose of the video is obviously to honestly shed some light on living alone, what life has been like and all that stuff. So basically, in terms of a day in the life video that I said I was going to record in my last video for whoever watched it. So I always work in the lab and I'm not allowed to record in the lab. And even if I was able to record in the lab, it would just be me, like not what I'm doing, obviously for NDA purposes, which is perfectly okay. That was one thing that was pretty poo. Also, this is what bagged milk looks like. So that was number one, day in the life. I can explain it. Can I record it? Not really. Maybe I could record the way to work and the way out of work. Maybe I could record the cafeteria. Nothing too glamorous. In terms of the day in the life, low-key ain't gonna happen. But a quick rundown is me and Adam, we wake up and we live super close. And then we go to work at 9, 9:10, 9:15, whatever the case may be. And then we work until 4:30, 5:30. You know, it depends on like, you know, if you've wrapped up for the day or not. They don't pocket watch in terms of like time. You know, if you clock in, as long as you're getting your work done, that's all that really matters, which is actually a very good, like, I guess, morality feeling. You know, you don't feel like, oh my God, I gotta work. You know what I mean? So it's pretty lit. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy it. Quick vitamin break. Not sponsored by Costco. I wish it was. So enough yapping, let me get started. Non-stick pan. I haven't even started on the mix. Get your, whatever this may be. Oh my God. I have to do math. 100 milliliters of milk. Or water, but I choose milk. And then I'm gonna get protein powder. I have a leveler, but who cares? Do I put oats as well? A sprinkle of oats. And then now we mix. Anyways, elite tactic, by the way, shout out to Adam for this. Rather than to put butter for your pancakes, put olive oil, and I'll have like a nice crispiness to it. So the olive oil is nice and spread out. I think it's warm enough or hot enough. So I don't know how many pancakes this will make. They feel very fluffy. This does not feel like pancake at all, but maybe I should have just stuck to the original recipe. I've never used Aunt Jemima's to do this, but you try something new. In the meantime, we could cut an apple. I'm not gonna lie, there are no bubbles to be shown to see if it's ready to flip or not, but what do y'all think? What do y'all think of this setup? Look at the makeshift tripod that I made. So that's what you guys have been on. Flip. Ooh! That was so nice at those. See, it doesn't look that bad. Can you guys see that? Alright guys, so this is the final product. 2 pancakes. And I will be putting those on. So also, for the past 2 months, I have been growing out my beard. So it's been significantly longer. I don't know if you guys could tell. I think usually when I recorded YouTube videos or like just before I grew it out, I'd always just trim it like at the 2 setting. So yeah, what y'all think? A change of plans. Basically what happened was I walked outside and it wasn't raining. I was talking to the homeowners just to, you know, because they were outside as a good Samaritan. And then it started to rain right before I was gonna like start going. And it's still raining and it's not gonna stop raining, which I didn't know because it said it was gonna start raining at 7. Subhanallah, the game's the game. We are gonna still go to the outlet. I called one of my boys who lives here and he has a car, so we're still gonna go and we're still gonna go play soccer. So it's gonna be a good day. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we go to the outlet when Abdul Samad comes. Making a vlog for the weekend today.
Fruit? Second generation. Not even first.
Yeah, he looks like. No, but his parents were born.
Shout out to our terrible defense, and shout out to the MVP goalie.
Oh yeah.
He was goalie, he sucked. But
Bismillah, you gotta think about the positives in life.
Yeah. So guys, back from the game. So I am gonna cook dinner right now. So I'm gonna make salmon. Obviously we lost as well. I didn't record because it was raining. Like I could not record. My phone is gonna get ruined. I'm still on an iPhone 11, so it's fine. Either way, alhamdulillah for everything. The guys were very nice. But yeah, I only got 1 assist. We lost 5-2. Very honestly an unfortunate loss. Like I haven't played in a while, but there's no excuse. But alhamdulillah, it was very fun. Bro, also like when I realized, did I even tell you guys that? So these are the shoes that I copped. They're nice. I was gonna get this other shoe, I think white Predators, and like they looked like a classy look, like they looked like Zidane shoes. But unfortunately, they didn't have size 11. I don't know when, but my foot grew a bit. I used to be 10.5, but I'm only able to fit 11s now. So yeah, alhamdulillah. So new pair of shoes that I actually needed and I've been holding off for literally like maybe 6 months. So the purchase was gonna happen regardless. All right, so I showered and it is time to cook. So I washed the pan, same non-stick pan. We've been abusing this. And I have my 2 salmon fillets ready, which I will season on this behemoth. The meal for today is just salmon, rice, and some vegetables. Tired. I don't really. This is like as flamboyant as it's gonna get, to be honest. Big word, stay in school. Anyways, so the second question that I was talking about when I was mixing the pancakes was, so apart from the day in the live video, why I haven't recorded and uploaded. And so here was the theory and here was what was going on in my head. So when I first moved out to Edmonton last time, like last semester, I was like, oh, I'm living alone, there's less distractions, I could record more, blah, blah, blah. Turns out I got very busy with school and that was like the main reason why I wasn't really recording. So that was that flop. Here, I was like, okay, bet, I'm going and I'm working 9 to 5. I don't have homework, I don't have this. You know, there's no excuse not to really record. And genuinely, it came down to, number one, lack of discipline. Like recording was easy. Like I said, I've recorded many like snippets of like Eid, when I went out with the boys, sometimes during Ramadan. Like I recorded stuff. It's just like, I just did not want to edit. So it was a lack of discipline. And number two, like in a huge regard, it was like the lack of motivation. And I thought I would be motivated, like I have no distractions and stuff, but wallahi, being away from family, it low-key plays its part. Like you wouldn't think it would, because you're like, oh, I'm away from family, maybe, you know, I could focus and stuff. But it plays a huge part. Like a sense of community is so important, and alhamdulillah I found it with the guys at the mosque. But it's still hard because I'm not with my family, right? So, but enough of that sloppy stuff, and let's get to cooking. If there's anything else that you guys want to know in the comments, like how I live or what I do in my free time, let me know. So alhamdulillah, wallah, very, very good stuff. There's always things to do if I'm really bored. Alhamdulillah, also there's another guy from U of A named Noah. He has a car and he sometimes comes over and we hang out with him as well, and we like, you know, go play ping pong, we play basketball. Like I've been having fun. I've been having fun, but I just haven't been documenting it. And that's what I want to do though. Like I do want to document it. So inshallah, I can actually put the proof into the concept, because every time I do record, I like it. Like I like recording, number one, and then I actually like editing because it's fun. I'm watching over what I did. It's basically like reflecting, so it's like journaling. And that was the whole point of the YouTube channel anyways. So now let's get to cooking. So these are the 2 salmon fillets. I also have to make rice, so there's a lot of steps here. Usually, like I said earlier, me and Adam are doing it, but now I have to do everything, which is okay. I'm not a kid, so it's all good. Get a bowl, get the measuring cup, start measuring our rice. 175 grams or milliliters of rice, and then I'm gonna wash this and fill up and get like a pan ready and everything like that. Very basic stuff, honestly. Like I'm literally a dude. I get hungry, I want to eat right away. This meal genuinely the rice takes 12 minutes to make, and the salmon is just like, while I'm doing the rice, the salmon is cooking. So honestly, like alhamdulillah, what a blessed meal. Very, 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 very blessed. First things first, gotta wash the rice, you know what I mean? So yeah, I washed the water. I washed the rice like 3-4 times. I don't like that starch stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. The next step is to put some butter into the pot, and then when that like melts and everything and starts to get hot, I'll put in the rice, and then when and the water. I have already put my water ready, and then when that starts to boil, drop to a simmer. And very basic stuff. I do not have vermicelli. I am Lebanese, but I do not make Lebanese style rice. I literally just make the most basic plain white rice. I should low-key get like some form of spices like biryani, curry, whatever. But the game is the game. Honestly, I put Nando sauce in everything, so you guys will see that soon. But all in all, the meal is gonna look beautiful. Just wait and see, inshallah. So I have peas in there. I got the rice almost done, probably at the same time as the peas will be done. And then I got the Salmon out there vibing. And then you got me in the back. Shout out to my buddy Dilo, Uncommon Soul. Go get your merch. This is the final product. We got the cucumbers, we got the tomato, we got the peas, we got the rice, and we got the salmon. And then I put Nando sauce on it, but it looks nice and clean like this. And the Nando sauce, and I'm gonna break it all up. So yeah, apart from that, it's already like 9 o'clock. If I finish, I'm gonna go to the mosque to pray Isha. I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace.